I'm Skyler Pingree, and this is my 2018 bike check. I'm riding a 21-inch frame. This is the Tristen Sprocket colorway. It's pretty kick-ass. It's got a pretty cool picture of Tristen Sprocket down there, and a cool Savage logo. I'm running the Arboc smoothie bar ends. I'm running the Mac 10 bar, shadow stem, the Blade V.3 fork. I've had the same setup for the last 3 bikes, so it's been pretty solid. I'm running the Fitbikeco 2-piece 165 mil cranks. Keep them short. Rob Wise taught me that trick. He's the man. Thanks, Rob, for that tip. I'm running for wheels. I'm running a Cinema front hub, full Cinema front wheel, and a Shadow back hub laced to a Odyssey 7KA. Thanks for checking out my bike check. Thanks to all my sponsors: Fitbikeco, 50/50 BMX, Arboc. You guys rule.
Learn up now, make them say, then examine them out. Then it's get the step and I'm kicking Pamela out. That's how me hold a lot of slugs, I'll be 100 round and flapping.